Hey there, my friends. Coach 𝐿 here. Welcome back to another video. If you're watching this video right now, you most likely are researching this work from home system called Infinity Processing System, and you're trying to get more details about how you can make this work for you and earn $300, $150, and $50 commissions from home. So I'm going to give all the deets, all the juice about this work from home system, how you can make it work for yourself, make money online, and I'm going to talk about, is this for beginners? Okay, so that's what I'm going to answer in today's video, and I'm going to give you all the information so that you can decide for yourself if Infinity Processing System is for you and how to make it work for yourself. All right, so let's get right into it. All right, so what is Infinity Processing System? So Infinity Processing System isn't just a system that allows you to work from home and make income from home. That's a great thing. But I'm going to talk about a lot of the other things that it does, which actually helps people get to the money. But let's summarize real quick. Infinity Processing System, this is a work from home member-to-member direct sales opportunity that allows you to make 100% commissions of $300, $150, and $50 commissions with no monthly fees, which means when you're starting your online business, you have no overhead. Okay, this is what keeps a lot of affiliate marketers broke, is because as they're generating income, they have so much income coming out, and they really never see profit if you don't have a system like this. I love member-to-member programs that don't have any monthly fees, because it's just all, profit when you do it the right way. Okay, so that's pretty much that. The best part about the Infinity Processing System is that it solves one of the major problems that beginners and affiliate marketers have, which is that they don't have the training, the coaching, and the support that they need, to be able to, on a daily basis, to generate leads and to generate great commissions online. Okay, so let me show you how this solves that problem. First of all, the product itself, there's 3 different product levels, but each one of these product levels is going to teach you, you're going to get access to a whole bunch of training that's going to teach you what you need to know to be an internet marketing professional and to be able to create money online. Right? So at the pro level, you're going to get the most amount of training. It's going to allow you to earn great commissions. You're going to be able to earn $300 commissions. And then you get access to, good training. I've been through all these training modules myself. That is going to, tell you what you need to know to market online and to be an internet marketing professional and actually make money with it, right? Not just joining some opportunity because they said you can make money, but actually learning the skill sets that make you money, right? So these are the things you get. The $150 level, you'll get some training as well. And then the $50 level, it will give you some starter training. So most people will start at the pro level or the elite level, because that's where you're really going to learn the top strategies that you need to be successful online, and it's going to shortcut a lot of your success. Okay, so that's pretty much that. Now, on top of the ability to earn these commissions, you're going to get access to a membership area, which is the digital product. The digital product itself is digital marketing training. Okay, the digital marketing training is teaching you the how to make money online. It's going to do things like give you pre-run ads, so from day one out of the box you can begin generating leads and getting eyeballs on your business. That's the first step, right? It's going to help you get that winning mindset that you need, right? I like that this program isn't all mindset. I've been in trainings before where it's all mindset training, and I'm like, that's not going to teach you how to make money. But it is in there and it is needed, but the whole program is not focused on mindset. It gives you a 7-day action plan for success so that you know what you're supposed to do on a daily basis. That routine on a daily basis is exactly what you need to know in order to generate income online. Like, what should you do? What should you be doing on a daily basis as an online business owner? Okay. And then they start getting into the actual marketing strategies. And my best advice, again, is to pick 1 or 2 of these and to master these. So whichever 2 you pick, and they give you like 5 different strategies. So you can do Facebook marketing, paid traffic, Craigslist marketing, Instagram marketing, YouTube, TikTok. None of them are better than the other. It's just really about the ones that you're going to be consistent with. And my best recommendations are always YouTube marketing and Facebook marketing mastery. Okay, so once you get into those, you're going to begin to get access to all the training that you need to be successful you know, on those platforms so that you could begin to generate attention on your online business, right? And that's pretty much that. Now, they also teach you something that is just amazing, because a lot of people don't realize that this is the foundation of making money online, which is you have to learn how to automate your business with processes and systems. Those processes and systems are setting up a high converting, not just a funnel, setting up a high converting funnel. And they actually show you how to do that. They show you how to set up a high converting funnel. They give you the follow-up emails. They show you how to set everything up so that when people are going through your funnel, that it's doing some work of helping with those conversion parts. Okay, there's some marketers out there that they have no problem at all getting traffic, but they can't get the conversion part down. And the conversion part is this part that you're taught in the pro level, to automate your business with your six-figure system. Okay, so I just want to point that out. So let's talk about how Infinity Processing System, how does Infinity Processing System solve the #1 problem that affiliate marketers have, which is that lack of training on how to market and lack of support? Well, if we come over to the proof group, you're going to see, first of all, I believe that it's in the culture of Infinity Processing System. You know, Adriana has done a wonderful job with this system of making sure, Adriana is the creator of the program. She's done an excellent job of making sure that the culture of this system is that affiliate marketers get help and support, okay, on what they need to know to be successful as an online business owner. She's doing things like live coaching session or lives in the group and things like that. And a lot of, I'm just going to scroll real quickly through the proof group and just show you. So we have some of our members like James, you know, he's sharing his tips and tricks and strategies and things like that. And then in the proof group, we have lots of members, including beginners, having success because they are literally coming into this membership area. They're learning these strategies, and out of the gate, they're applying them. Okay, they're applying them. They're coming out there doing a 7-day action plan, and they're getting great results. So here we have Diana woke up to another $300 payment. She's up to $1,800 total now. Okay, so, and she said pure profit. That's what I was saying. Member to member with no monthly fees, pure profit. This is one of the most amazing business models. Okay, so let me just scroll. Okay, so I just want to show you some other payments. We have people welcoming other people to the group, which shows that people are getting leads. Darrow, he made $4,100 in his first 6 days, okay, following the strategies in the system, right? So that's all it is. If you're a person, you're watching this and you're able to follow directions, you're able to learn and follow directions, and this is the system that will actually teach you that, okay? Here we have someone said, thank you for this amazing opportunity, got $300, right? So that's the thing, you know, being positioned, learning and applying the strategies, right? And being consistent. And that's what our team is doing. Now, the last thing that I want to talk about is how Infinity Processing System solves a major problem for affiliate marketers is the coaching group. Okay, so when you join as a member, you have the ability to also get access to the coaching group, and this is only for members. Okay, and in this coaching group, Adriana is going to take the, you know, a lot of times when people go into training programs, they get overwhelmed, right? I don't think you can really get overwhelmed with this if you just focus on watching one video a day and, you know, learn it and start doing whatever it says in the video, right? But some people do. They come and they get overwhelmed. I think this is, you know, very simplified beginner 1, 2, 3 training. But what she does is she takes each part of these trainings and she breaks it down even further live in the coaching group for members, so that members can not only ask questions, but members can get live coaching and really begin to understand why we do these strategies to generate leads, to build our online business, to get attention and things like that on our online business and make us commissions. Okay, so that's what I really like about it, is those things. Okay, so that's that was something that I just wanted to point out, is that extra support feature that is, you know, really, so you can see like she's going live, you know, all the time in the group to really give that added support that beginner affiliate marketers need. All right, so now that I've said that, I want to share, I've kind of shared a little bit about how Infinity Processing System helps beginners, and I want to talk about 4 things actually 3 things of how Infinity Processing System solves a lot of problems for beginners. For one, it's a digital product, which means you're not going to have a closet full of stuff, you know, which is amazing. You're able to have a digital product, which anywhere you have your phone or computer, this is the product. The product is this digital marketing training, okay? Which teaches you how to become your own boss in an online space, how to make money with not only Infinity Processing System, with anything, right? So the first thing it solves is that it's a digital product. You're not going to have a whole bunch of stuff. You're not going to have that overhead with monthly fees and things like that. Second thing is that you're going to get access to actual training area. What I find that a lot of programs in the online space, they use gimmicks, and they just say, oh, you have this great opportunity to make money online. Okay, that's cool and dandy. But outside of the opportunity, what is it teaching you that will make you give you a lifelong ability and a lifelong skill set to forever make money online? And that's what Infinity Processing System is teaching you. It's giving you that lifelong skill set of how to actually make money online through these marketing strategies. And that's a lifelong skill set. Once you have it, nobody can take it from you, and you can always literally market and create money online because you know what to do online. Okay? And then I already talked about the support, the coaching group, the members only coaching group, where, you know, the creator is not only, she's talking to you about the tools, she's talking to you about, you know, what you need to do. That live coaching is invaluable. Okay, so you get access to that. Okay, and that's only for members. So those 2 things alone are the things that are getting our members, you know, these results that I showed you guys here. Okay, so that is what is getting these members these results, is having access to the strategies, having access to the support, but they're doing the work. They're implementing the actual strategies. Okay, so I want to share with you a little bit about my backstory, because I think it'll be helpful in the context of all this, so that people understand why this stuff is important. Okay, so I already talked about that. A lot of online programs, they're gimmicks, and there's tactics out there. You know, they're promoting push button programs. This is not that. Okay, what I do know is this, is that to make money online, and to make money online consistently, you have to understand marketing and promotion. Okay, that is exactly what the members area is teaching you. You have to understand marketing and promotion. It's teaching you these simple things to do on a daily basis. Okay, so that's the first thing. You have to understand marketing and promotion. You have to understand sales psychology and what makes people buy online. Let me show you something here. So right here, the art of persuasion and influence, and this is what she's getting to, the sales psychology and what makes people buy online. Okay, it's not the gimmicks, right? So when you understand that, you can become a master influencer. You could become a person that people will buy from because you understand sales psychology. I'm just really shocked that at a beginner, at these levels, that she's including that in there. I've seen people take sales psychology by itself, these things, and create $1,000, $2,000 courses. Yeah, and you're getting access to it as an IPS member. Okay, the next thing is that you need to understand to make money online. And like I said, these things that I'm discussing right now, when you understand them, you will be always able to make consistent money online. People who don't understand these things won't make money online. The third thing is you need to have a digital product that people want to buy. Again, IPS solves one of the top problems that affiliate marketers have. That top problem is most affiliate marketers, they have plenty of opportunities, they don't know how to market. So this solves the #1 problem that affiliate marketers have, and that's why IPS is in demand and people are loving this system, is because it's teaching them that. Okay, so you have to have a digital product people want, and people want this because it solves a major problem. All right, the next thing is you must, as an affiliate marketer, to make money online, you must have a daily routine that builds results. It's not enough to have a great opportunity. It's not enough to know the marketing skill sets. You must have a daily routine that implements those skill sets so that you can get to the money. Here's the thing. In Infinity Processing System, one of the things that she gives you is a 7-day action plan for success. This is something you do every single day. It's a daily routine that builds you leads, visibility, and sales. Actually visibility comes before leads. Visibility, leads, and sales. Okay, so that's pretty much that daily routine that builds results, that builds lead generation. And what I like about this is when we go back to the culture that Infinity Processing System is creating, she's not out there promising people that they're gonna make money for doing nothing. She's telling people, listen, if you're willing to do the 7-day action plan, if you're willing to do the things that I'm teaching you in the Infinity Processing System, then you can learn to create your own income, right? Online, right? And so this isn't for lazy people. This is for people who are ready to get results online. This is for people who really want to build an online business, right? So once you understand the power of your daily routine and how your daily routine builds your results, then that's that, right? Now, the other thing that she teaches you is how to close sales. Okay, this goes back to that art of persuasion and influence. Okay, so that's pretty much that. So you have to learn, again, it's not enough to just generate traffic or visitors to your website, but how do you convert that paid or that traffic, whatever you want to say. How do you convert that traffic, right? So those are the things that she teaches as well. Okay, and then another thing that I already talked about this is if you want to make consistent money online, you have to kill your overhead, right? Now, let me be clear. As a business owner, I always say don't be cheap and always invest in your business, right? But when you have opportunities like this where it's member to member and no monthly fees, that's not an overhead you need to worry about. Okay, so when you learn how to kill overhead, then you clear up your cash flow, and that's how you begin to create money online. Okay, so this solves all those problems. Now, I want to share again back to my story. When I first came online, I had a mentor who I paid, over $1,000 to be able to teach me the things that I needed to learn to have success in the online space. And I'm always so grateful for the shortcuts that I learned. Okay, now the things that she taught me are here in this area. Okay, I focused on these exact things: having a daily routine for success, using Facebook and YouTube marketing to build visibility, leads, and sales. Right, learning those things. And over the last 3 years, since then, I've made tens of thousands of dollars online, and sold tons of digital products from these skill sets. And that's why I want people to learn these skill sets, not learn an opportunity, not fall for a gimmick, not fall for, traffic, because traffic is just one part of the equation. The other part of the equation is your daily routine. The other part of the equation is your mindset for success, right? The other part of the equation is you, right? Being consistent, right? But all of these things are taught in this system so that you can actually be an online marketing professional, an affiliate marketing professional. Okay, these are the things that I focused on, these marketing skill sets. That's what you have to focus on if you want to have success in the online space. Okay, so I've said a lot. Here's what I want you to do next. If you're watching this and you're like, you know what, I would like to be learn these skills for a lifetime. I would like to learn how to create income for myself online, in the online space, right? I'm serious about actually doing this. I'm serious about being consistent, right? If that's you, here's what I want you to do. Beneath this video, go ahead and enter your best email, because I'm going to send some information to you. So make sure you enter your best information, or your best email, I should say, so that information gets directly to you. And it will give you more information about how all this works, okay? How you could get started, okay? Also, once you get the information, go ahead and watch the video. Read through all the information, pick a level for yourself, and go ahead and get started, right? Like, go ahead and decide, would you like to earn $300 commissions? Would you like to earn $150 commissions? Would you like to earn $50 commissions? Where do you see yourself earning, and what type of strategies do you want to learn? Like I said, I really believe that a person who's serious about being an online marketer, they're going to position themselves at one of these two levels, not just because of the ability to earn income, but the ability to actually be positioned to learn the strategies they need to learn. Okay, and that's that. So that's it. Thanks for watching this video. Smash the subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.